Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Unless I understood this person, and this is like a couple of videos I've made before, but this is working with a word instead of an object around a circle. They wanted the same word multiple times, evenly spaced out. So I'm just going to go ahead and text to path this. I'm going to put it dead center with the red check. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to go to object and I'm going to break it apart. So now I just have the text. I'm going to bring in some indexing lines and hit P. So I know closer where my center of the page is. Then I'm going to double click on it. And there's a couple ways you can do this. If you're not familiar, you need to make sure that's in the center of the page. Sometimes it doesn't look like it is. But you don't know how far you're going to rotate it, so you can go like this. Well, make a duplicate of it, and then rotate it and go, well, that looks pretty good. Well, that's 38 degrees. You need something divisible by 360, so it'd be 40. And then Control D, and just keep going around the circle. We're evidently not exactly on the circle. We're a little bit off. So let's just back up here, redo that. And that looks like it's in the circle. And you could always test it by just doing this. And we're good. But you need to go back to 0 so your thing will work. Then you just type in 40, Control D, make it 80, Control D, Control D, Control D, and just keep controlling D. Or you can take all these away and go up to Windows, Dockers, Transform. Yours might say Transformation, 40 degrees, and we need 9 of them, but we've already got one, so we take one away and it'd be 8, and it does it that quick, and they're evenly spaced out. I truly hope that's what they were asking, and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.